Hey everybody, okay, we're back. Coach Malcolm and I talking about the 2018 workshop, and let's talk about the early bird special. We always run an early bird special. Malcolm, last year the workshop was actually sold out before the early bird special expired. So that was a pretty cool thing. We've got some great stuff for everybody who buys a ticket. So good stuff. Let's just talk about it a minute. This is one of them I think everybody really likes. I'm just going to move this over a minute, and that is a free website or blog. $9.97 value. We gave away two last year, one at the event and one before the event. So what would you think about that, Malcolm? That's a grand. You know, you paid it. You bought a website. So, and how's that website working?
Beautifully.
On that website, Malcolm, do people schedule with your firm without ever talking to you?
They do.
They should. Ching, baby.
Mm-hmm.
It's a beautiful thing. So we're going to give away a website and blog that goes with it. We'll actually host it for you for 12 months at no cost as well. So on one of our servers. So that is going to be, we're going to draw for one of those this year. And then three lucky winners are going to get, wow, a 1 hour coaching session with me or one of you guys, the coaches, or maybe all of us. I think that's pretty valuable, don't you, Malcolm? You need a one-on-one?
It's gold.
One of the things, you know me, I don't like to waste time. You know how I am. Don't say it out loud. I'm kidding. But what happens, we have a form that's called Where Are You Right Now? And it's a several page form, and it asks you some questions on all area of your business. And what you do is you fill that thing out, and then we read it before the call. And what happens is we can see areas that you're doing great, and we can see areas that need improvement, and we can focus on some strategies for you in those areas where you need improvement. So that's been a really good thing. So we're going to give away 3 of those sessions, and then what happens is we're going to give 10 people are going to we're going to pull their name out of the hat, and what we're going to do is we're going to give them access to 5 of the top presentations from the 2017 event. And in the 2017 event, we did breakout sessions. And Malcolm, was there some good stuff in there?
Oh, yeah. Lots of nuggets.
Lots of nuggets. And so 10 people are going to get access to that. So those are going to be our extra lucky winners, but everybody's going to receive a bunch of goodies. Everybody's going to get a rep commercial, $247 value. Malcolm, you got a bunch of reputation commercials, and they work, don't they?
Yes, sir.
We have real estate agents asking if we'll make them for them. So we say no, but we work, only with home inspectors. So that's it. Now, Malcolm, do you ever do lunch and learns or any presentations in real estate offices?
Sure do.
Okay, we're going to give away one of 3 people and get to choose which one they want of the lunch and learn PowerPoints that our team has produced, and if they can take those right in and use them in lunch and learns. And then everybody, that's 147 in the web store is what we sell those for, and then everybody's going to get 4 hours of home inspection training on a private page for the Savvy Inspector, $497 in value on that. So you can see there's a lot of value being given away just for you buying your ticket early. To me, that makes sense. Does it to you, Malcolm?
Oh, totally. The lunch and learn PowerPoints themselves, I think 147 is a steal if you figure out how many hours it's going to take the average person to find that content and put it together. Woo!
That is so true. And Malcolm, do you have any idea how many rep commercials you've already gotten?
I don't actually.
There's a ton of them in there.
There's a ton of them.
Yeah, you get one every month, and you've been a client in our Done For You service, our online marketing division forever and ever. And so what we've done on this 4 hours of inspection training, we have looked and see what do home inspectors, where they traditionally have weaknesses in their business. And what we did, we selected 4 great pieces of member content and put them right on a web page. So before they ever even come to the workshop, they'll have access to all that. And when you buy your tickets, we'll start developing your rep commercial, and you'll get to select your PowerPoint. So before you ever get to the workshop, you got all those goodies right in your own hands now. Plus, somebody might, you might be the lucky one to win the website and blog. That's a huge.
That's a big one.
That is a big one. So there's a ton of value here. We try to give away things that have meaning to home inspectors and that can help them grow their business. I mean, this is all about getting your phone to ring more. And so these are great deals. So let's see, Mr. Malcolm, let's take a quick look. I didn't see where that was. This is bad when you don't, here it is. So what we've got is tickets are $297 for the 2-day event. You get all those goodies, and they're $297. But if you buy them in the early bird special, Malcolm, they're $197. Okay, they're $197. And remember, one ticket allows your whole staff to attend. Okay, so if you want your home inspectors in there, great. If you want your office people in there, great. Your marketing people better be there. So $197, you get everything. So that's quite a deal. I mean, we looked on the other page, about $5,000 in expenses to come to one of the Savvy's events in a hotel, or $197 in the comfort of your own home. What do you think?
I think that's a steal.
It's a steal.
That's half an inspection.
Thank you, Malcolm. It's a half of one inspection. That's right, half of one inspection to attend a 2-day event. And make no mistake, the presentations that you're going to see in October at this are absolutely live. The event's live. The speakers are all, presenting from their office, but the event is truly live. And one of the things we're going to try to do, Malcolm, is we have staff people monitoring the chat box during the whole event. And we're going to take questions, and on the following morning, the second morning, we're going to pick out the ones that are being asked over and over, and we're going to answer those. But what we're going to then do is we're going to take those questions that were asked, and we're going to do a follow-up 90-minute webinar with the participants so that they can get their questions answered if we didn't get them answered live.
Super cool.
So that'll be another cool little bonus everybody will get for answering the questions. All right, so for $197, the early bird special, and let me see if I can switch back to it. The dates, October 12th and 13th, and the early bird special is August 31st. It ends on August 31st. So if you buy your ticket before August 31st, you get it for $197. You get all these goodies we talked about. You might be super lucky and get some of these goodies on here. That's not, it's going to be a few people win it. 14 people are going to be really lucky and get those. But we got a ton of value down here for everybody else too. So if you don't win one of the special prizes. So early bird special, that's the way to get your ticket. Again, it's August 31st. If you buy your ticket before then, you get to take advantage. Otherwise, you get to pay $297. There's no sense in paying more. And Malcolm, we have about 500 seats available. We can get a lot more people in than we normally can. At 140 people is all we could ever get in the past. And we'd always have a waiting list. So that's it. So what do you think? Early bird special, a way to go?
I dig it. Of course it is.
Save $100, get all those goodies.
Save $100 and get those goodies.
All right. In a minute, we're going to come back and we're going to be talking about the schedule, the agenda for the event. So Brian won't say, I don't ever have an agenda.